So this time from the DC Universe Classics Legion 12 pack that was available from MattyCollector.com this October of 2011, we're going to be taking a look at Wildfire. Wildfire is one of the taller figures in this thing, using a more standard male buck than the teen buck, comparing him to Timberwolf right here. You can see that he is almost a head higher and very much bulkier and more muscular. Really like some of the sculpting touches on here. The neck drape from the helmet is very nice. The helmet itself, although it does look like there's some paint mess on the helmet, a little bit of blue from the face shield gone on the top of the helmet, but it is a nice design, and that face shield is, the paint job on that is really good enough to sort of say, well, it looks like there's something behind there, but you can't really tell what it is. And for a paint job, I think they do a real good job of getting that across on a flat surface. I like the his little insignia here, or not so little insignia there. Very nicely tampoed on there. The paint job is alright. He does still suffer from what a lot of these guys suffer from, is the matching paints between different body parts. It does look okay in some lighting, but in others you can really tell the difference. Like here, that arm is really off between the two, whereas this arm is not. And it just looks like they really, like this one, looks like they blended the paints better than on this side. This didn't get any sort of blending between the two colors, and but all the lines here on the suit are very pretty clean. He's got some very unique sculpts on the arms with his gloves, and on his boots too. You got these Buccaneer swashbuckler boots with these flaps coming towards the front. That's very nice. The articulation is pretty standard for the DC Universe Classics. Head goes forward and back. Left and right, it is very tight. That's because of the neck piece here. So, when you get that nice draping effect there, it does limit his head articulation a little bit, unfortunately. His arms do go all the way around, out and in, rotate at the bicep, bend at the elbow, and then rotates at the wrists. He's got ab articulation, very nice. Range of motion there. Waist articulation, very nice. Legs go forward, back, out to the side. Rotate at the thigh, bend at the knee, and bend at the ankle. He does not bend at the boot here, even though it looks like he may. He does not. Wildfire here is actually one of the Legionaires from Earth, and he is Drake Burroughs. And an encounter with some antimatter radiation changed him into a being of pure energy that has to use this containment suit to have a physical form. And he first appears in Superboy and the Legion of Superheroes number 195 in 1973. So this guy is only a little bit older than I am. He's romantically linked to Dawnstar, whom he met as a recruit. Another Legion recruit who was also a being of pure energy that used a some sort of device to have a physical form. Quizlet helped him refine and control his powers a little bit more, but left without having finished it fully. He did use his powers to reignite a sun, and was thought to have died as a result. However, his consciousness took over the corpse of Sunboy. However, I think this particular story was erased during the reboot. You did find out in the Lightning Saga crossover that his suit was made from the Red Tornado's robotic shell. So he kind of shares that lineage, I guess you could say. Now, he's been in the Justice League Unlimited episode where he had a cameo, non-speaking cameo, and he was in the Legion of Superheroes cartoon. Again, I don't think he spoke. I'm not sure. I did not see all of those episodes. So, but from what I did see, it was, again, nothing but a cameo. So, I guess that'll be it for Wildfire. And stay tuned. We're nearing the home stretch in these reviews of the Legion of Superheroes. And stay tuned. And until my next video, I'll see you.